Okay, welcome back. So large projects are done in TypeScript, not JavaScript. So we're going to try to convert this our project that we've been doing in JavaScript into TypeScript, because that is the standard. With TypeScript you can have type checking, code completion, and so many other good things that will enable your development to be done in the right way. So using TypeScript enables you to develop a very robust application, and we're going to try to use TypeScript for this project. Okay, so I'm going to quickly stop the server so that we can start. Okay, so these are microservices. I'm gonna close out all these so that we can start in a clean way. Okay, so we are concentrating on the Q&A service. So let's go into the Q&A and work there. So I'm gonna say cd into Q&A. Okay, so now we're in the Q&A folder now. So I'm gonna try to install things that are needed for TypeScript. So you can say npm install. You can install the way you do it, but I've already done this. I want to install globally TypeScript. So do this, but I already have it, so I'm not going to run this, so that you have TypeScript. So once you have TypeScript, you can actually do TSC, which is TypeScript compiler, and you can -v ask it for the version of TypeScript that you have in your system. Okay, so you can see I have TypeScript version 4.7.4. okay, so I'm going to try to start working with TypeScript henceforth. Okay, so before I do that, because this is a Node application, I'm going to install the types for Node and types for Express. So I'm going to say npm install at, so that I can get the latest of types for Express. Then I'm also gonna install at types for Node. Okay, because this our backend is gonna be run using TypeScript. Okay, so once this are done installing, we can change this our src from index.js to index.ts. okay, so let me open the package.json so that you can see the effect of the installation. So you can see now we have types type/express and type/node. Very important. Okay, so with this now we can set up our ts config and continue from there. So we can also we can then rewrite the index.js to index.ts. So let me set up the ts config so that we can have our ts config so that we can write properly. Okay, yeah, so I do ts dash in order to set up the ts config. Okay, so now when I click here, now you can see so this is the ts config.json. okay, so the major important aspect that we are supposed to look at here is the target. We are targeting ES 2016, which is okay. Root dir. So the root dir, I'm gonna uncomment this. So our root directory for our code is src index. So /src. Okay, then I'm gonna go down again and see emitting at our out. There is want our out directory to be in dist. So I'm gonna quickly uncomment this and change this to dist, so that once we run this, we want to have a dist folder that will be having the JS file. So that will be having the JS file, whereas the root there, the src, is going to be having the ts file henceforth. Okay, so I'm going to save this. What else do I need?